At Skinner Sheds, we're the largest log cabin supplier in the south of England with over 40 years of experience. All buildings are manufactured to the highest standard by a fully qualified craftsman. Each building comes with a tongue and groove floor and roof, joinery doors and windows, complete with real glass, lock and keys. The prices quoted online also include free mineral felt and free fixing kit. Delivery is available for just £95. We offer a complete range of services including bespoke design service, basework, electrics packages, insulation service, roofing options and direction. What's more, we hold a large range of stock cabins in a purpose-built warehouse which enables us to offer a fast delivery service to our customers. Skinner Sheds, celebrating over 40 years of craftsmanship.